Your official certificate.
네네네. 월요일.
모아.
우와.
짠! 여기는 두 번째 기숙사예요. 저기 문이 화장실이고 신기하게 여기 기둥이 이렇게 있더라고요. 아, 여기가 샤워 부스구나. 기둥을 넘으면 여기 옷장. 여기에는 책상, 오른쪽에 이렇게 침대가 있습니다. 여기 저번보다 뷰는 그래도 좋다고 해야 되나? 뷰가 있는 편. 전체적으로 보면 아담하죠? Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Thanks, madam.
I got.
You could say I got, or I had.
I have.
Or alcohol. Which one do you think is better? Has anything in the news touched you lately, or has anything?
친구가 벨기에에서 초콜릿 사왔다고 이렇게 줬어요.
Yes, look of photo with
Oh.
chocolate. So
It's so cute.
And Saturday.
Yesterday.
Yeah.
You share, yeah, with a friend?
No, with my family.
With a family.
Yeah.
You get the things that you buy the next day, right? So which makes it very...
지난번에 온 라멘집에 또 와서 이번에는 매운 라멘을 시켰어요. 메뉴가 게키카라? 카라가 들어가면 매운 거라고 하더라고요. 진짜 매워 보여요. 잘 먹겠습니다. 택시가 이렇게 이쁠 일이냐고. 응? 진짜 귀엽다. 제가 보는 뷰예요. 너무 예쁘죠?
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread?
구경하고 싶다. Yes.
Maybe that. Here. At the front of my house, there's a garden. We have made this bedroom for my grandmother. Yeah.
For one, yeah?
yes.
Just give me a second.
여기는 스테이크 집으로 유명한데 이거 가성비가 괜찮다고 해서 한국인들 사이에서도 인기가 많은 맛집이라고 알고 있거든요.
Would you like it cooked?
Medium rare.
Medium rare?
Yeah.
Nice. Let me know.
Okay, thank you. 뭔가 밥이 생각나는 그거.
Like a blogger.
Yeah.
Like a YouTuber. What's your name?
I'm Pada. P-A-D-A.
P-A-D-A.
It's okay. Yeah, it's me.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, you ready for the video?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Chocolate on top?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Perfect. There you go.
It's nice.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye. 너무 맛있는데?
That's it.
Sorry, where is?
Try to work. Good quality and
근데 올 때마다 다른 거 시켜. 이것도 한번 보여줘도 될까? 아, 오케이. 친한 오빠의 친구인데 지금 워홀 하고 있어가지고. 아, 헐 귀여워. 오빠가 이거 선물 줬어요.
갈 거니까.
오케이,
그래서
오케이.
런던으로 했어.
이제 이거 모아야겠다.
이제 옥스퍼드까지 따러 가야 돼.
오빠 마음에 드는 거 하나 줄게.
뭐야 이거는?
이거 북마커.
아 북마커야? 영국 사람들 사는 동네야 그냥.
오케이, 오케이.
북마커.
제일 로컬.
you shut me down, baby.
말도 안 돼. 여기에 컵케이크 너무 뜬금없어.
이거 제대로 된 사진 없는데 사실 컵케이크가 제대로 찍지 않잖아.
아, 그치, 그치.
저 브릿지에서 보니까 더 예쁘긴 예뻐.
아, 그래? 드디어 런던 온 느낌. 우버 보트도 있어?
아 약간 광고일걸?
아, 그래? 아, 이쁘다. 아이고. 진짜 너무 이쁘다. 잘 안 담길 것 같아.
빅뱅보다 하늘이 더 예쁜 것 같아 지금.
그니까 하늘이 진짜 미쳤다. 오늘도 스테이크. 어제도 스테이크였는데.
나는 근데 주로 나 뉴스도 안 보니까 어디 뉴스.
어떡해?
나는 항상 이해보다 그냥 그런 익숙한데 내가 여행 왔는데 첫 이런 돈 나왔어. 하이 와요.
아저씨 데스. 아저씨 데스. 바다가 뭐라고 했지? 와타시와 우미 데스. 우미 데스. Yeah. 우미, right? Yeah, 우미. 와타시와 우미 데스. My Japanese name. 와타시와 우미 데스. Good morning. Can I have a iced americano? Black coffee, please.
오늘도 어김없이 저희 아침.
And then we took a bus down. You can't walk to it. It's about like upstairs. I stopped when I put my foot down, and suddenly this fisherman doesn't speak English. Obviously, poor my friend doesn't speak.
Honest burger?
Yes.
Would you like it well done?
저희 햄버거 먹고 클라이밍 갈 거예요. Yeah, today is that day. 월요일, 화요일, Tuesday.
Yeah, I went Monday.
Monday, Tuesday. Yeah, BE. Yeah. Photography. Photography. 클라이밍 하러 왔어요. Two buildings.
How do you count? What's the counter?
두 개. 두 개.
이 동영상을 보고 문제를 맞춰야 여기 입장할 수가 있어요. 저 틀려가지고 복습하는 중. 오케이.
Oh yeah, don't leave things on the map.
아, yes.
Nice. That's for sure. Although you might get your camera this.
First day of spring, and I just wanna sing to everything that's moving, every single little thing. To them birds flying free, fish in the sea, flowers and trees everywhere.
Do you like K-pop? EXO? Actually, I don't know where K-pop. Do you know K-Will? K-Will? My favorite.
I like some like foreign artists as well.
17 Jackson? sorry.
Got 7.
아, 갓 세븐 잭슨.
Yeah, I saw last night.
Yeah. Okay. I have a good.
That's it better. So it maybe here is not go on, but was on.
I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset, man, you're looking
Full of
fantastic.
beats today.
I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down.
Come on.
It's what you do.
Today's Friday.
Making my head go
So much. Alright, perfect.
What is this?
This.
Oh, 바다하.
This is showing you
Yeah.
how good or how badly you've done. So this one is the last day at IH.
International Half London.
Check it out.
And oh, certificate. Oh.
Official certificate.
Wait.
She's embarrassed.
Excellent.
Oh, look at that. Let's get close up to that. Excellent.
Excellent.
Perfect.
That was really hard working. Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
English really improved over the 2
Yes.
weeks. Nice.
Thank you.
Finished. Last day of IH.
Thank you, IH.
Thank you, 바다.
커피? 아니, 주스.
아, 너
아, 근데 여기 진짜
주스.
맛있어.
진짜 맛있어요.
그리고 크로와상도 나 맨날 먹거든.
근데 한국인한테 커피가 너무 중요한데?
완전. Do you know 아아? Oh, really?
처음 들었어.
아이스 아메리카노.
아무도 페퍼민티랑
Yes.
헛초콜릿도 너무 맛있어요.
추천.
근데 요즘 못 마셔서
Why?
뚱땡이라서
오케이.
살이 많이 쪘어서.
My last day.
How is it?
Last day here.
How long have you been here? I've never seen you.
For 2 weeks.
2 weeks now. It's your appetite. So yeah, for the main meal. 하다가 너무 배고파서.
배고파.
어떻게? What are we gonna do when?
Want celery? I can make you celery.
Yeah.
I'm a good boy. It's
Good
water.
boy?
It's water today.
What today?
영어 발음.
Water.
Yep. Water.
Teach me British.
So my accent is a little bit different, right? I speak Cockney.
Oh yeah.
Do you remember that?
Yes.
So this for me is water. Water.
It's
어려운데?
yeah, 어려워. Water.
So we're gonna try this slowly together,
Okay.
right? You can try this as well.
Yes.
Wool.
우어.
Wool.
우어.
Wool.
우어.
Wool.
우어.
Wool.
우어와.
Your one is like flowing so
Yeah.
much, so you have to do wool. Yeah, that's good. Water.
우어아.
Water.
우어아.
Perfect. Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
Perfect.
Can
there
I
you
have
go.
some water?
Now she's Cockney salam. There you go. Cockney is the original London people.
Water.
Perfect. Can I? 저도 영어 못해요. So now she is advanced English.
Yes.
So she's going to learn the Cockney English, which is Cockney is London Saturday.
Yeah.
원래 London Saturday. Remember, we have. It's good. 진짜 좋은 발음.
진짜?
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. Yeah, compared to some of other Korean people that I've heard trying Cockney, that's pretty good. So.
Sorry.
계속 연습해.
계속 연습해야 돼.
So I'll just speak alone. Right?
Yeah.
So in Cockney,
Yeah.
for example, stairs, we say apples and pears.
사과.
사과랑
Apple.
pears 어떻게 말해?
Pear.
배 어떻게 말해? 한국어로?
배.
그냥 배?
배.
So 사과랑 배. So apples and pears.
Apples and pears.
Yep. And
이게 뭐라고?
the last word pears
Yes.
rhymes with
Yes.
stairs. Right?
Stairs.
Yeah.
계단?
Yes. So it's like a secret code, like a secret language.
Oh.
That's what Cockney is. So
Why?
I don't know why we did. No, I actually know why.
Then, yes,
The real
okay.
reason why is years ago in London, in southeast London and east London,
yes.
there were people who were selling things on the markets or selling things by the boats on the docks. Right?
Thank you.
Here we go. Perfect. Excellent.
Cheers.
Perfect. Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers.
It is. 뜨거워. I can't touch it. I'm going to wait for mine because that's going to kill me. So.
Do you want to try?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah. Please. I was waiting for her to say that. Yeah. 근데 이거 너무 건강해서 좀 걱정해.
진짜 근데 맛있어.
괜찮은데?
이거는
No.
I tried because it's like a secret language from the police.
Okay.
So they made their own language and they made their own settlement like that. I'm gonna drink my water down the frog.
물 먹고 길 건널 거야.
그치. That's right, exactly.
나 영국 사투리.
진짜 영국인이지.
영국인.
진짜.
사투리 쓴 영국.
런던에서 태어났어. 점심 먹어?
응.
같이 먹어? 같이 먹을래? Go on, let's do this, man. Let's do it.
I never say that. 같이 먹을래요?
What do you say?
저 이제 밥 먹으러 가려고요.
That's too polite. I just say 같이 먹자. 진짜 배고파 이제.
예, 가.
같이 갈래?
Let's
Let's do this.
go. 저희 타이 음식 먹으러 왔어요. It's mine.
my favorite Thai restaurant. We're ready. Yo.
요요요.
진짜 마지막
하고 싶은 말.
하고 싶은 말? 나는 음식에 대해. 바다 말고.
Yeah, about me, about 바다.
About 바다. What can I say about 바다? This is Anna.
She's very smart.
She's very incredibly smart.
Yeah.
Too smart, maybe.
Yeah.
And we're gonna miss her because she has been a really good student in International House. We are in Piccadilly Circus.
Yeah.
And this is a famous place in London.
라이데너.
진짜 감사하고 여기 와서 너무 다행이에요. We made good friends.
Yeah.
친구 잘 먹었어. 보고 싶을 거야.
I'm gonna miss you. Yes.
It's been really fun. 너무 재밌었어.
근데 한국에서 우리 볼 수 있으니까.
당연하지.
Okay. Call me. 이번 달에도 간대요.
맞아요.
Anyway, 진짜 고맙고 감사합니다. 진짜.
아이고 감동.
이주가 순삭. Do you know 순삭?
No, not so much.
Time flies.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Right? Time
See,
flies.
she's 너무 많이 배웠어. 진짜 자랑스러워.
Of course. Yeah.
So I'm really proud.
Yeah.
Pada has done a good job. She has been 똑똑하고 친절하고 착하고 예쁘고.
More.
없다. I have no more adjectives.
More.
I have no adjectives.
adjective.
재밌고.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. Yeah, of course. 당연하지.
Of course.
She's been fantastic. 너무 귀엽고.
Yes. Thank you.
잘 배우고.
Yeah.
Just perfect. How do you say? 완벽한 학생.
Thank you so much.
So we're proud. We're happy to have you here. 맛있는 거 많이 먹고.
Yes.
I think.
Thank you.
맛있는 맥주도.
맨날 먹어 맨날.
맨날 마셨어. 진짜 한국 스타일이지. 잘 마셔.
맨날 잘 마셔.
이 가시나가.
부산 가시나가.
It's
okay. You.
잘만. In English.
English. 영어로.
Okay, because I get 멘붕. I think this is probably one of the best 술 drinkers.
난 베스트 스튜던트 하려고 하는 줄 알았는데 베스트 뭐라?
And just come to IH, come to London, come and see me. Come and have some.
Bye.
보고 싶을 거야.
나도. Bye. Thank you.
반갑습니다.
Bye.
Open air, side by side we sway there in all the colors.